Welcome to Princess Roma's adventure!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get on with this awesome adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, we're going to be doing another fun fact video about why does Earth need the moon? The answer to that is the moon may have formed when a long ago meteor smashed into Earth and sent part of Earth into space. So the moon was once part of Earth, guys. So that means that the moon, the ginormous moon in the sky, was once a part of the Earth. That's cool. How did tides happen? Let's keep reading, guys. The moon pulls on oceans, making them bulge and swell, causing tides. The sun also pulls on Earth's oceans, causing tides. Well, that's cool. I did not know that, guys. It's like top-notch cool. As it circles Earth, the moon pulls on water, oceans facing the moon. Tides also happen on the opposite side of the moon, oceans on the other side. You can see right there, guys, the little parts. Also, many meteor strikes. The moon gravities pull on some rocks in space that could have otherwise hit Earth. Wow. That means like meteorites, you see like you probably not really see them a lot because like you have to be like next to where it landed. But like a meteorite is pretty cool. Let's keep reading, guys. Brighter at night. The sun's light reflects off the moon and brightens up the night sky. Whoa. Less wildlife activity at night. It would be hard for many nighttime animals to see without moonlight. Okay guys, I want you to remember to pay attention because at the end of this little chapter, we're going to do 3 trivia questions and I hope you guys can get them right. Much smaller tides. The moon is the reason tides move in and out in the ocean. Without the moon, coasts could have less sand and be much rockier. From Earth, we only ever see the same side of the moon. What else would happen without the moon, guys? Extreme weather. The moon helps control the seasons. Without the moon, seasons would change from very hot to bitterly cold. That means like one day it'd be nice and hot where you'd want fans some ice cream. The next day, you'd be freezing cold. You'd be wearing a jacket with long pants and drinking hot cocoa. And then like rainy, then snowy, and then really hot. Whoa, that'd be wacky weather. Guys, now it's time for the 3 trivia questions. Number 1. Without the moon, would Earth spin faster or slower? If you guys guessed faster, you are correct. Let's keep going. Besides the moon, which other body in space pulls on oceans to help cause tides? If you guys guessed the sun, you are correct. Last question, guys. Let's go. How does the moon change Earth's weather? Seasons change more slowly. Did you guys get that one correct? If you did, make sure to keep listening to more of my videos. Maybe you can learn even more. And remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And remember, have faith, hope, and love. Bye!